What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio.
And I'm Drew.
We're with Mobility Direct, and today we're going to talk to you about a hidden feature of the Baja Wrangler 2 that no one's talking about, and that has to do with the tow hooks, okay? We just got done putting this boat and this scooter in that pond. What we're going to do now is tow the boat and the Wrangler with an expedition using a cable, and hopefully the tow hooks are actually rated for some sort of decent towing capacity, and it's not just gonna rip right off the frame. All right, so Drew, let's get Benji off the seat for safety, okay? We don't want PETA and the animal rights activists coming after us. And we'll go ahead and see what this tow hook package on the front of the Wrangler is made out of.
My son.
He's your son. Your four-legged son. All right, so Drew, nice and slow. Let's see if the tow hooks hold up. Well, so far, so good. Nice. You can see the front wheels are kind of coming off a little bit, off the ground. But so far, so good. Nice. I'm honestly not surprised. All right, Drew, I think that's good. Well, folks, we did it. We successfully tested the hidden feature that no one's talking about on the Wrangler, which is the tow hooks.
They work.
They work. They are rated.
And they hold up.
They're holding up for a decent amount of load. We were towing not only a scooter, but a boat as well. Now, I think that's plenty. I mean, I don't foresee anybody using the tow hooks for like pulling a truck out of the mud, but we might try that next. Make sure you subscribe, because not only will you get notified the next time we do some crazy shenanigans like this, but you're also automatically entered into our giveaway program. We just choose random subscribers that leave a comment on any video. We reply to their comments, so check your comments. You could be the next lucky winner, like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now. All they did was subscribe, left a comment. We hit them up, they got a free scooter. It's that easy, folks. And by shopping at Mobility Direct, you're contributing towards that cause of giving people scooters that really need them, but can't really afford them. So keep that in mind, folks. We love you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.